Cheers. Left or right, left or right. I want to go to here, because they rule. I don't think it qualifies. I can't see a cathedral. Nope, that is certainly not a city. Alright guys, what we got? What's on the menu? Welcome to the London Motorcycle Show, presented by MCN and Carol Nash. Question: what do you do when you've inadvertently left the house dressed like the Asian kid from the Goonies? I didn't realise that until I got quite far out the door. I look like a cross between him and Johnny Five. But you know what? You lean into the problem, don't you? I can feel you, one-eyed Willie. Where are you dragging me? Ooh, towards the Kawasaki Z900 RS. Yes, please. KTM and Kawasaki showing up with their colours. Yeah, the hazards work, good. I think you're a little bit young for that bike, if I had to guess. We've seen a lot of kids on bikes, seeing a lot of people starting young. It's encouraging for the industry, it's encouraging for the sport. Yep, there's another one. Look at them, kids have got more money nowadays. So how many are you ordering?
I don't think so. I'd have to sell my wife, I think.
Yeah.
Or kill her, children.
There you go, planning ahead. We can make this work. Ooh, it's like a magic mirror. Well, hey, you really do get your money's worth. Tiny face. Many faces. So I'm guessing these are a non-sit on and ride type. Okay. Oh, dominate with guns. Sure, yeah. There you go. Living up to the names there. I mean, you can go two ways with the Dominator name. You can go the 50 Shades route, or you can go the guns route. They made a choice. We got our customs, built magazine. That'll get you about 10 miles. This is a plan your journey well type of bike. This is a Motovitsu V65, which is doing the bike shape, and I like it a lot. I'm liking the exhausts, because I like chuffing out smoke right into my face, right in the boat. I'm liking the posing pouch, teeny tiny seat, and I'm liking the teeny tiny tank. And I'm liking the fact that it looks like something Cadbury made. Oh, Mutt Motorcycles. It's pretty good. I feel like a Sinnis. There's what I came for. There's the money shop. Oh, that's a cute little touch. I like it. Now for Tim's top picks. What is Tim most excited about for 2018 with Rarefied Road? Tim is very excited for the KTM 790 Duke, the CCM Spitfire Bobber / CCM Bobber, the Suzuki SV 650X, which is a cafe racer style SV 650. Definitely one of my favorites because again, very affordable. The Husqvarna Vitpillen 401 or 701, they're quite exciting. Certainly have gone their own direction with the look. What else am I excited by? The Ducati Panigale V4, the Ducati Scrambler 1100. I'm intrigued, but I wouldn't say I was passionate about it. I'm excited by Marini making a return. Apparently they have still been there, or they never really went away. They just had some financial difficulties and shrunk. I think you may have an anaconda attached to your bike. Seems to be restricting the life out of it. Oh no, wait, that's the exhaust. Honda Rebel, obviously a good bike. Ha 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 ha, possibly my next. There's a child of my favourite. This is the Honda CB1000, and it's awesome. Yep, CB1000R, it's really cool. They seem to have gone a very similar direction as Husqvarna as far as their style goes. That's not the best idea. I'm also excited to see the youth coming up on this, see how many 9-year-old kids are starting to ride. They start them early nowadays, so that's encouraging. I'm excited to see the Triumph Bobber Black. I'm excited to see the Triumph Speed Triple RS, the brand new one. It's very nice. Lots of things to be impressed about for 2018. However, if you come to this show, I have to say, it is quite small. You can get around it quite quickly, and if you've been more than 1 year, there is no particular reason I would say to come back a second year. Sadly, unless you just really like it and you want to get on some new bikes, which is always good enough reason for me. If you just want to throw a leg over and you've got 18 quid spare, go for it. Michelin man, he looks great. He's there to signify what you'll look like if you bought a load of stuff and you have to double up on your jacket and your helmet when you're riding home. You don't ride here. So thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate it, as always. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. It means that I get to test ride some more things. And hey, it costs you nothing. It's the click of a button. Click it and then ring the bell, and then that'll tell you when I've got a new video uploaded. And this summer, of course, I will be doing lots more videos. I'll have lots more content, and I'll be test riding lots of new bikes. Love to you all. Bye. Yeah, you'll be getting a visit later. Okay, now, right, you will. Oh, you tasty little minx. Is that a bobber? I believe it is a bobber.
Yeah, it's the tits.
It is the tits.
It is the tits.
It is the tits, yeah.